Well, we're back with this Whirlpool air conditioner. Again, it looks to be about a 5,000 BTU. Pretty sure this is from the extraordinarily late 80s to early to mid 90s. I couldn't see it being much newer than that, maybe later 90s, but probably nothing later than, about 97 or so, I think. I've already checked the thermostat. It's definitely clicked on. So now, finally, we can see the compressor run. And I'll go right over to continuous fan low. And oh, it started all right. Had a decent startup sound. And I brought my temp gun. Oh, the backlight is off. There we go. So that's reading a good 74 solid. And it does feel like it's getting a little bit colder, so I'm going to leave that run for a bit. And we'll see what it reads later. While I'm waiting, I don't remember if I said it before what kind of compressor this would have. This has got to be a scroll compressor. I couldn't possibly see it being a recip, being for how new it is. Let's see if I can stall the fan. Yeah, right there. Ooh, it really doesn't sound that good. It's running, but I don't know. We'll have to let it cook and see. Alright, I have left this cooking for about 10 minutes or so now. It took a long time, but there is definitely cold air coming out of it. I'm sorry I can't get your model number. It's sort of just like in over here, and the camera doesn't fit because of the screen hanging out the side, because I use a real camera instead of a phone. So sorry on that, but maybe one day I can get that and fill that in the description, which nobody's going to give a crap about anyway, because nobody reads the fucking description. But anyway, 54, 53, 52, 51 even. It took a while. It really did. Let's see. Let it sit up there. Yeah. It's hard to tell because there's a guy landscaping. But yeah, it works. Compressor sounds a little funny, but it runs. 48 I got before. So yeah, it's serviceable. It's got to be 75 easy outside. Not a bad day, actually. So anyway, that's it. The Whirlpool 5,000 BTU air conditioner. There's a part number, if that helps anyone. If you want to look it up, I'm not going to take the cover off or anything else. I'm just, that's what it would sound like on high. And there's off. Oh, you can hear the refrigerant circulating around. Good deal. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.